Welcome to Aslan Farm. There is something about the outside of a horse that is good for the inside of a man. Winston Churchill, nestled in the rolling hills of southwest Virginia, near the Blue Ridge Steppes, Aslan Farm was formed of its surroundings and made of the virtue in its bearing, a horse farm that is at one with its natural beauty and the symmetry of a well-planned property. Its expansive house, barns, and run-ins are all designed and constructed of wood, a Virginia tradition, and form a perfect union with each other, in a blended aesthetic. Few horse properties can boast such attention to design symmetry. 8 pastures bring the property along its 1-mile-plus perimeter to its grazing rotations, and to encourage the healthy re-nourishment of their grasses. A river tributary that